Okay, so this is a general set of instructions on how to access the youth protection training for Boy Scouts of America. And this is training that needs to be done for anyone that is working with youth in the Baltimore Area Council, which our PAC is a part of. So you bring up your local browser, you can go Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, whatever. In the address bar, you're going to type in my.scouting.org and you hit enter, and it's going to bring this up. And if you don't already have a My Scouting account, you want to go to Create Account. Okay, if you don't have a My Scouting account, in this box it says, are you already associated with the Boy Scouts of America? You're just going to simply put no. If you do have an account, use it. So I'm going to fill in some information here. I'm going to create a generic person so that I'm not putting my personal information for everybody to look at online, but you'll get the point. So we're going to create a human called Jonathan. Q test. We'll make him born, I don't know, let's say January 1st, 1975. And for argument's sake, let's make him male. He's in the United States. I'm going to have to put an address in here. So I'm going to put my work address just for the moment here. 300 Garrison Forest Road, because it wants a real address, which is in 21117, and it verifies that that's an actual address. So, okay, home, I need an email. I created an email just for this case, so we called it jbeamypt@gmail.com. You'd have to put in your own email for this. ypt@gmail.com, and then it wants a phone number, so we're going to give it a phone number, 410-555-5555. Okay, down here I have to click to accept the terms of conditions. I accept that. I put in BZM8TY or whatever the CAPTCHA says for you. Scroll down, hit next. And it says, okay, I need a unique username, so I'm going to make my username John Test. Check the availability. It liked that. I'm going to make a password. I'm going to confirm it. Asks me security questions. One of the things I admit here is it doesn't give me great options here, but what is your first job? And I'm going to put in paperboy, because that's what I did. And it'll ask me, where did you attend first grade? And I'm going to put in school, because that's where I went to first grade, was at school. All right, creating account. And I don't want to remember this password because that's not me. And then it says an account was created. An email is being sent to your address. If you do not receive this email, check your junk mail and continue. Okay. Now, if I go to the Gmail account, there's a little thing here that says it was created. And I now have a BSA member ID for John Test, but you know, John Test's never actually going to show up to a meeting, but that's okay. So here's the key part here. You're going to come over to this big symbol over here that says new to scouting. Click here to take training. Okay, so this is the youth protection training here. And it comes up and it says, I have never taken youth protection training. And what do I want to do? I want to take the course. So I click there. And lo and behold, it opens this up. And you're going to walk all the way through this. And when you're done, you should hit your option to print the certificate and bring it in. But otherwise, you're going to kind of walk through this step by step, print the certificate at the end, bring it in. It would be real helpful if you sent me and or Trina an email just telling us you got it done, and we go from there. If you have any questions, just send me an email at jbeam@beammath.com. That's jbeam@beammath.com, and hopefully that should be helpful. All right, thank you, and if you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.